I already have a drafted post open in the LinkedIn Start a Post modal. If you're following along, go ahead and write a medium-length post. If you want to generate a brand new post from scratch, you should use the LIA chatbot. Once we have a drafted post, we can click the AI Rewrite button, located right next to the LinkedIn Post button, to rewrite it with LIA. The rewrite will reflect your chosen writing tone and other preferences. To rewrite my post, I'll click the AI Rewrite button. After a short moment of processing, LIA begins rewriting the post. While it's working, LIA also shows in real time exactly what improvements are being made. For example, here it tells us that it added a hook. And boom, LIA has rewritten the post. It keeps formatting like it mentions, bold and italics. On the right, you'll also see a list of the improvements that were made. If you don't like the rewrite, you can always undo it and go back to your original draft. Another subtle but really useful feature is the tooltip. The tooltip works both in the Start a Post modal and in the comment box. Here's how. When you select any text, the tooltip appears. From it, you can make text bold or italic, rewrite a paragraph, make it shorter or longer, switch it to a professional tone, add emojis or fix grammar. To keep this demo short, I'll quickly walk through just a few of these features. Here, I've made text bold and rewritten a paragraph. Pretty slick. The tooltip is a real lifesaver for quickly formatting posts or polishing your writing. And remember, the tooltip works the exact same way inside the comment box too. That's it for the AI rewrite.